You are a product of the World Wide Web, and you are just one card in a billionaire's hand, and he can scrap you for parts, try to detach you from art. You are a product in the eye of the man, in the eye of the man. You are floundering in the eye of the man. You're 15% with the world in his hand. You'll be paper thin when they try to feed you crumbs. Bite them, you bite them.